You excited to go on the bike?
Probably stupid for both of them.
Huh?
Huh?
What?
It's like the same.
Oh, you don't have to say cheese. We're on the movie. Or you can say cheese if you want. Okay. Alright, Preston. Is this round one? Or no, he's done this before.
Yeah, round two.
Round two. How was round one?
Actually, round one went terrible.
Gotcha.
Round two went good. This is round three, so hopefully.
Nice.
When he's got a partner, he's good.
I like it.
So hopefully Caden.
Yeah.
I like it.
Caitlin saw those over there. She saw those over
Is there something that goes in front of them that will block like the rock and stuff? Okay. Gotcha.
No, baby. You're gonna ride the tractor.
Lots of bikes, huh?
Thought that's your bike.
Careful.
Yeah, right.
Whoops. Nice.
Caitlin, maybe stay over here.
Okay, but
Seats adjust,
you ready to hop in there? Okay, hold on. Just wait for him to hook it up.
Aaron, you might want to go get a water.
Come on, Justin, right back.
Unless you don't want one.
Where?
What's that?
Yes, baby, go ahead.
Take a side. Preston's going to sit with you.
How does this work?
It's just straps.
What?
It's a seatbelt that goes across you. What?
No, hold on.
Nice.
You could adjust the seat. You adjust it.
Okay, Todd, put him in.
Hold on. I gotta get help, Mom. Here.
Good job, Katie Bug.
Well, we've got to figure out the...
Well,
Caitlin,
this is going to
Preston.
be hilarious.
Oh, look.
Trace, look, she put it in the pocket in the little thing. No, don't put that in there.
I said, how does this... What does this buckle
I don't know. Have the guys do it.
All right. Jeff, can you go get one? Come here, baby.
What do you need, Mom?
Oh, wait, here. 2. Todd, there's a diagram. See the diagram?
Yeah.
This one goes up. You do? He doesn't have them. I don't have them.
Tom, I'm going to take my stuff back too. I'll take yours and put it in my car if you want.
Okay. No, wait.
I think this goes.
It's supposed to look like that, and this one's supposed to go around both of them. This one is supposed to go around both of them.
Alright, did you go through the middle thing?
Todd, you do it how tight you want.
I like
Is that
it.
tight enough?
Hey, Caitlin.
Caitlin, look at mommy.
Here's your push pop, sweetie.
Caitlin, look at mommy.
Give him some.
Caitlin.
Give him this pacifier. There you go.
He's fine.
I got it. Hold on before you do that.
Caitlin. Caitlin.
See ya.
All right.
Hey, let's go. Let's roll.
All right.
How do you put this up?
You've done it before, Aaron.
You want it up higher?
I'm gone.
See ya.
Which one's yours, Aaron?
Classic.
This
I
one?
gotta take this somewhere.
Yeah, we're going to take it over.
Here. Meow. Meow.
Where is he?
it.